In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an admin user from your Hostinger website. If you've previously granted someone admin access to your Hostinger account or website and you no longer want them to have it, the good news is that the process is very simple. I'm going to walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can remove that access safely and quickly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as usual. Make sure you're using the main account that has permission to manage access settings, because you'll need those account controls in order to remove another user. Once you're logged in and looking at your Hostinger dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account before changing anything. Next, go to your Profile section. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account settings and management options. After opening your profile, look for the option called Account Sharing. This section is where you can manage the people you've given access to, including admin users or collaborators who have been invited to help manage the website or hosting account. When you open Account Sharing, click on Grant Access. Even though the wording sounds like it's only for adding someone new, this is also the area where you can view the users who already have access. Once you're there, you should be able to see the admin user you previously granted access to. Find the admin user you want to remove, and then look for the three-dot menu next to their access details. Click those three dots to open the available actions. From that menu, click Remove Access. This will revoke their permissions and prevent them from continuing to access the parts of the account you shared with them. After removing access, it's a good idea to double-check that the user no longer appears in your shared access list. This helps confirm that the change was successfully applied. Also, be careful to remove the correct person, especially if multiple users have been granted access. And that's it. That's how to delete an admin user from Hostinger. As you can see, the whole process is handled directly from your profile and account sharing settings, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look.